Our invitation, welcome, and spotlight is on you tonight. I'm going to start from the farthest end of my side with you, General Muntu, because you are quoted in The Observer, having said that your current political party, if it does not enforce cohesion, it is likely to be torn apart by, or to be swept away by the people power of Bobi Wine.
What I've said all along is that we in FDC, including other political parties, mostly in the opposition, we have to keep analyzing the environment within which we are operating and try to detect whether there is a gap or a vacuum that needs to be expanded into. And my alert normally is to say, nature hates vacuums. So if any vacuum exists, when you're a political party, you do everything in terms of your organizational capabilities, in terms of how you brand yourself, in terms of how you change perceptions about yourself, so that you can expand in any space that is in existence. Because when you do that, when you don't do that, any other force can come up and occupy it.
But many times, General Muntu, you've been quoted saying that maybe there's a need of a third force, and one wonders which is the second force. I mean, why can't you galvanize just one force to take on a formidable opposition, competitor like the NRM?
I think it's an expression, and I don't think it's new. Because I remember in 80, there was talk of a third force, first and foremost. First there was DP, there was UPC, there was contestation. And then there was a feeling that there were people who were not ready to join the end of the two and that they needed a new force. That's when UPM came in.